Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Freshsales CRM sequences and email templates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify Freshsales CRM sequences and email templates, start by logging into your Freshsales account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automate section in the main dashboard. Under Automate, select Sequences from the drop-down menu. Here, you will see a list of all your existing sequences. Choose the sequence you want to verify by clicking on its name. You'll be taken to the Sequence Details page. Review the sequence steps to ensure they are correctly set up. Verify that all emails and tasks included in the sequence are appropriate for your audience. Now, check the timing and conditions between each step. Next, navigate to the Email Templates section under the Automate menu. Select Email Templates from the drop-down to view all your templates. Find the specific email template you wish to verify. Click on the template name to open the editing interface. Review the subject line and body of the email for clarity and relevance. Check for any personalization tokens that should be included. Ensure that links and attachments in the email are functional and relevant. Save any changes you may have made. Return to the sequence page to link your verified email template if needed. Test the entire sequence by sending a test email using the test feature. Observe the flow and ensure that all steps are executed as planned. Once confident, you can proceed to activate the sequence for your team. That completes the verification process for sequences and email templates in Freshsales CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.